same time, pressure's on Beer Money representing the TNA Originals. Steiner recliner attempt here as Roode tries to fight it off, doing everything within his power. Quickly turns around and from underneath it, a couple of shots in that. He's able to flame Steiner with the over. Oh my God! Oh, Scott Steiner again! Able to kick out the Rock. Roode just comes right out quick. Takes a shot of Morgantina, holding her legs down and put Beer Money incorporated right back in the driver's seat here. Roode waits for Steiner to come at him from outside. Storm spits the beer. Blinding. Big pop. Referee knocked down in the confusion. Is this the DWI?
Kasi rin na buha pa ito. Chundra.